Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual. Please make sure you read the disclaimer before taking part. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
Okay, Amelie, we're going to take our pirouette combination now. So we're going to start fifth position, right foot devant, en face, arms bras bar. We're going to take a little breath with the arm on introduction, 7 and 8. You're going to dégage to second on 1, plié to fourth 2, controlled single en dehors, finishing fifth derrière. Repeat left. Plié fourth, controlled single, close fifth. Then repeat to the right with a double en dehors, finishing into lunge. Good. Pull up 5, 6, control 7, breathe 8. Start the whole thing to the left. Dégagé. Plié fourth, single hold, close behind. To the right. Plié, single hold, close behind. Then to the left. Squeeze, double, up, up, and lunge. Pull up 5, 6, close 7, and finish bras bar 8. Have we got that, Emily? Good. Take a breath. And preparing to the right, squeeze your plié. Hold up. Good. To the left. Squeeze. Up. And prepare to the right. Double 2 heads. Hit, hit, and finish. Take your time. Breathe and finish. Start left. Dégagé. Squeeze your fourth. Take a breath. Hold. Good. To the right. Single hold. And fifth. Preparing to the left. Forward. Hop, hop. And finish it off. Well done, Amelie.